would like to further request Vaiba and Farha to escort ma'am onto the dais. She has an excellent career of working as a principal for 15 years in various institutions. She has rendered her selfless services and fulfilling her role and furthering her plans for the success of the institutions where she has worked. Give best and get best is her motto. We request our principal ma'am to honor Avinash sir, Ram sir, Sushila ma'am and Neetu ma'am with a chaplain and felicitate them. We request the other co-leaders of Avinash group of institutions to come onto the stage. It is essential to acknowledge and express our gratitude to those whose efforts often go unnoticed but are vital to the success of our institution. HR head Mr. Chandrakant Verma, ICF head Mr. Gautam Jain, Mr. K.P. Ram sir, and I would like to extend a special welcome to Mrs. Neetu Sachadev, Principal of Degree Vertical, and our other co-leaders, HR, Mr. Chandrakant Verma, and Marketing Head, Mr. Manoj Kumar, and
my beloved students, you are the heart of this institution. As you embark on this new journey, remember that every challenge is an opportunity and every experience is stepping stone to success. Let us celebrate the vibrant energy and boundless potential of our freshers. Here is a year of learning, growth and unforgettable memories. Thank you. Enjoy the day. Now I will be glad to share a few points about the profound establishment of our college and its impactful legacy. Avinash College of Commerce, founded in the year 2013 by Dr. Avinash Brahmadevara Garu, a distinguished triple qualified commerce professional, commenced its journey at Elbinagar and Kukatpalli with an initial group of 283 students. Since then, it has grown into a formidable institution encompassing a massive group over 20,000 students spread across 12 branches in Hyderabad and Warangal. Supported by dedicated staff over 750 employees, the college has consistently expanded its academic footprint and impact, enriching the educational landscape with its commitment to excellence and holistic development. Further, I would like to highlight some of our achievements that fill each of us with pride to part of this esteemed institution. The Hypebeast TV Education Awards 2023 bestowed Avinash College of Commerce with the prestigious title of Best College of Commerce and Management. In the year 2021, we were honored the Times Group Young Achiever Award under 40/40 in the Education Excellency category. In 2020, Ambitious Academy Hyderabad recognized us as Most Promising College in Commerce and Management. These accolades underscore our commitment to excellence in education and our dedication to nurturing talent and leadership among our students. Our vision is to strengthen and elevate the levels of commerce education in country, thereby becoming the dream destination of all the young aspirants willing to pursue their careers in the field of finance and commerce. Our mission is to bring commerce, business and professional education under one roof, catering to the emerging educational needs of the country, give each and every aspirant a respectful, assertive, distinct identity of their own, and act as a revolutionary change of mindset, a new found hope and energy which is very stimulating and reviving. We offer CEC and MEC courses at intermediate level, and with the vision of our chairman sir, keeping the holistic development of our students, our institution have ever planned a career building program. As a part of this program, we offer 25+ commerce courses such as CA, CMA and international courses ACCA, CIMA, CMA USA. Keeping the various interests and capabilities of the students, we also offer beyond CA programs like CLAD, IPMAT and Life Science. As the minds of intermediate students are like tender untouched flowers, the focus is also laid on extracurricular activities and sports which facilitate these tender minds to blossom. At ACC, we strive not only to impact knowledge but instill a sense of direction in these threads. We conduct various activities in the classrooms for making students more confident in subject as well as for enhancing their public speaking. We also encourage our students to take part in various festival celebrations which exhibits unity in diversity. I would like to tell about freshers and farewell parties of Avinash Group of Institutions. They are the platform for the students to enhance their organizational, managerial skills and also for exhibiting the talents in which they are good at. I am proud to share that our college hosted Model United Nation, a youth parliament and G2 event, a significant milestone for our youth. This esteemed conference provided a platform for our students to engage global discussions, simulate diplomatic negotiations and contribute a meaningful dialogue on international issues. In consideration of the physical and mental well-being of our students, we annually organize a sports meet encompassing a diverse range of indoor and outdoor activities such as cricket, volleyball, kho-kho, running, chess and caroms. This provides ample opportunities for the students to engage in healthy competition and recreational pursuits. Additionally, this initiative strengthened teamwork, leadership and sportsmanship among our students. As a result, our students have excelled and represented our institution nationally and internationally in their respective field of sports and games. Further, I would like to present a few words about our college e-mags. Last year, our college launched 2 exceptional editions of e-magazine spanning over 90 pages each, titled Avinash Times of LBA. These editions featured a wide variety of articles and creativity works, highlighting the talents or interests of the students. The e-magazine demonstrates our commitment to academic excellence, creativity, providing a platform to share knowledge and perspectives. We are excited to present this accomplishment, emphasizing our dedication to innovation and learning within our community. I would like to present achievements of state rank holders. G. Rashmika and Sharanya distinguished themselves by securing state ranks in MEC and CEC respectively. Our overall pass percentage of first year is 84% and second year is 86%. This pass percent shows the dedication about our faculty towards the students and institution. Our at Avinash College of Commerce, merit students at LB Nagar are honored with merit scholarships bestowed by the chairman, sir. This initiative not only recognizes academic excellence but also encourages and supports students in their endeavor for knowledge and achievement. The scholarships serve as a testament to the institution's commitment to rewarding diligence and nurturing a culture of academic success among its students. Now, I would like to share CLAT and IPMAT achievements. It's my pleasure to share with you all that at Avinash College of Commerce, it is the premier and elite institution, CLAT and IPMAT. Our chairman has already proved himself as a trailblazer by establishing an institution exclusively commerce. Now, the courses like CLAT and IPMAT for management and law also has been introduced for benefiting the students towards their career. Within no time, it has been indispensable institution for CLAT and IPMAT. Thanks to Avinash sir and expert with distinguished faculty who helped the students to fulfill their dreams by securing the seats in their dream universities. I would like to share a few achievements. Our students got placed at various universities. National Law Universities, almost 7 students got admission this year, and Indian Institute of Management, 3 students got admission. Symbiosis Law University, 7 students got admission. FDDI University, 1 student, and NMIS in University, 12 students, and many more. And I would like to conclude my talk with lots of hopes and ambitions for this academic year, and hopefully they will go with flying colors and laurels. Enjoy the day, dear juniors and seniors, and thank you once again for dignitaries for making this event more pleasure and gracious. Thank you once again.
Hello everyone, as you all know, I'm Vaishnavi. I'm pretty sure by this time I already annoyed all my juniors. But good morning sir, good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for inviting me to this one. It's really nostalgic to be back here. I really miss being here and being with everyone. I would like to put a little down the memory lane of my journey at Avinash. Basically, I was a student who was always into CLAT, and I found really great mentors for that. Uday sir, Radha ma'am, and Pawan sir. I don't think I would have been here without them. Uday sir was always like a brotherly figure who helped out with everything, and his classes, oh my god, I don't think I never enjoyed his classes. I seriously feel like they were a part of storytelling lane. Like, you know, the family law classes went on to very fun stories. And now when I actually look at family law Nansar, I feel like, okay, I really miss that. Because it gets too annoying. And the fact that these faculties care so much for you. And once you come out of college, you step into university, you realize that no one actually does that over there. It's a huge transformation, a huge shift from your journeys. But trust me when I say this, guys, you'll definitely miss this place. It's amazing and you have a loads of fun. Trust me. And to all my juniors who are preparing for CLAT, all the very best. Hope to see you all in Nansar. Thank you so much.
As we proceed, let us acknowledge the importance of the oath that will be taken today. The oath is not merely a formality but a profound commitment to uphold the values and responsibilities associated with it. I now
very happy morning to Chairman Sir, dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. And a very happy morning to all the students. I request all the students to stand up. You can have your right hand on your heart while you take the oath. Your right hand on your heart while you take the oath. Can we have silence, please? I request all of you to repeat the oath after me. I solemnly pledge to do my best today and always to obey the rules of the institution and safeguard its interests at all times. To respect the institution, society, my parents, and myself. To maintain dignity, integrity, and honesty in all my dealings. To conduct myself professionally and ethically always. I hereby promise that I will act in ways that positively impact our world. Best wishes to all juniors who have joined. I wish you a wonderful journey in the next 5 years with us at Avinash Group of Institutions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for this important oath. The commitment and dedication are crucial to our juniors as they embark on this new journey.
To offer a few words of guidance and inspiration, it is my esteemed pleasure to introduce someone who has been a guiding force in our institution's progress and success. Please welcome Dr. Avinash Brahmadevara, a respected chairman of Avinash Group of Institutions. We are eager to hear your thoughts and vision for the future, sir.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, the teaching staff, the non-teaching staff, and the gorgeous girls this side, and the handsome boys here. A happy morning to all of you. I am sure this is your day. You do not want to listen to all motivation that we keep doing in the classrooms. Your principal ma'am was taking so much of pride in presenting the annual report for the entire branch of LB Nagar. A big round of applause to all the students of the seniors. By my own customary, honestly speaking, of all the branches that we have, LB Nagar branch is very special to us. True to my heart and true to my conscience, it always feels special to be at LB Nagar branch because it is more like a Sonta Uru laga, Sonta Pradesh laga. Puttinilla kanipistunadi actually. Way back in 2013 when we started off Avinash College of Commerce at LB Nagar in Kukatpalli, we were 283 students. And today it is a massive number of 20,000 plus students studying with us. A big round of applause to all of you. While we are very happy with the kind of response that we get from the students and the parents, let me thank the parents of very first batch of 2013. A big round of applause to all the parents of 2013 batch. Because we were new into the market and the very first advertisement about Avinash Group of Institutions was floated through a hoarding at LB Nagar Chaurasta on 27th April 2013 whatever your vision may be, whatever your dream may be, we are always there to give wings to your flying water destination may be. So today, probably one of our students might have spoken that she has joined Alfred University for law study. Tomorrow, maybe 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, she may become one of the youngest justice or chief justice of our High Court or Supreme Court also. Today she may be one among us, sitting along with us, but tomorrow she may be the chief guest for our institution to inspire the next generation as well. Amongst you, many of you may be turning yourself into chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, or entrepreneurs, or whatever may be there. Whatever vision is there, whatever your dream is there, trust us, we are there to support in every endeavor of yours. And yes, today is a day of yours. We don't want to keep you giving you those boring motivation lectures as such, because ఇవాళ మీడియా కాబట్టి you will not want to listen to all the things. జనరల్గా మీకు ఇవాళ వినాలనిపించేది వాట్సాప్ రోటీ బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ ఇలాంటి మాటలు వినాలనిపిస్తుంది. లేకపోతే ఇక్కడ పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ ఫ్యాన్స్ ఎంతమంది ఉన్నారు? So this is your day, and my special regards always would be to the backbenchers, last benchers. The reason why I am mentioning about the last benchers and Pawan Kalyan, there is a connection. I was also last bench student. చేయాల్సిందంటే లాస్ట్ బెంచ్ నుంచి మంచిగా చేయొచ్చు. The most notorious of our batch అంటే నా పేరే చెప్పేవారు. కానీ లాస్ట్ బెంచ్ లో కూర్చొని ఫస్ట్ వస్తే కిక్ వేరే ఉంటుంది. So as a student life, I thoroughly enjoyed my student life, and I never missed on my enjoyment. Classes వెళ్ళే స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ తో క్లాస్ లో ఉండము, కొంచెం అల్లరి చేయడము, టీచర్లతో తిట్టడము, అప్పుడు దెబ్బలు కొట్టేవారు, కొట్టట్లేదు కానీ అప్పుడు కొట్టేవారు కూడా. All those are really fun, but if you have your clear vision in your mind, are రెండు చేసుకుంటారు. Both you will be able to balance your vision that you want to, whatever you want to become in your life, and also to not miss your student life. So student life ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ మిస్ అయితే మళ్ళీ రాదు. So enjoy and make the most of it, but do not get enter into silly fights. కొట్టుకోవద్దు, తిట్టుకోవద్దు. These are all wonderful memories that you will be able to create for yourself. Right? All the very best. Enjoy your time. We are there to guide you in every aspect of your choice. Enjoy your day, and we all actually wait to dance with you, to sing with you, to forget also that we are teachers today. We all look forward for such kind of wonderful occasion. All the very best. Such young minds and bright faces. Looking forward to have at least few of your chief guests down the line, 5 years or 7 years down the line. Thank you so much. Have a great day, man. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your encouraging words, sir. It was truly enlightening and gave us all a lot to think about.
Outstanding achievements of our merit students. Their hard work, dedication, and academic excellence have truly set them apart. I would like to commend our college, Avinash Group of Institutions, for its commitment to recognizing and rewarding meritorious students who achieve 9.8 and 10 GPA. These awards not only celebrate academic excellence but also motivate others to strive for greatness. It's encouraging to see our institution actively supporting and acknowledging the hard work and dedication of its students. Now, I would like to call upon Avinash call upon P. Pranati from Junior MSc B. Please give them a big round of applause.
Junior CCB, give a big round of applause. T. Shushita. Next, Shiva Sai Krishna, Junior MSc G. Big round of applause. Shiva Sai Krishna. Next, Divya Shosha, Divya Sava, Junior MSc E. Next, Swakriti, Junior CCB. Ritika, Junior MSc D. Big round of applause, students. You may be the next. Big round of applause. M. Vishnu, Junior CCC. Akshit Kaur, Junior CCF. Yashashvita, Junior MSc D. Big round of applause. Charan Chakravarti, Junior CCF. Lucky, Junior MSc G.
Madrid Junior MSc F. N. Anjali Priya, Junior MSc A. Sheikh Usman, Junior CCC. T. Kirtika, Junior MSc G. Please give them a big round of applause. M. Harika, Junior MSc D. D. Prithviraj, Junior CCF. P. Aishwarya, Junior CCE. V. Pujita, Junior MSc D. G. Vamshi Chandra, Junior MSc A. B. Vaishnavi, Junior MSc D. B. Manish Kumar, Junior MSc D. K. Laswapriya, Junior MSc D. Please give them a big round of applause. Akhil Gaur, Junior CCC. R. Jihan, Junior CCD. M. Hasni from Junior CCE. N. Navyasri, Junior MSc B. G. Krishna Prakash, Junior CCE. P. Varsha, Junior CCE. Aryadesh Pandey, Junior MSc. S. Shrisha Reddy, Junior MSc A. G. Bhishma, Junior MSc F. G. Dwaraka, Junior MSc E. C. H. Vishal Reddy, Junior MSc D. P. Chandra Lakshmi, Junior MSc G. Sri Ram Aishwarya, Junior MSc B. Abhinav Gorapati, Junior MSc A. Please give them a big round of applause. They have worked for it. J. Soumya, Junior MSc B. N. Shashipriya, Junior MSc A. V. Shashtak Aditya, Junior MSc A. Y. Krishna Reddy, Junior MSc F. A. Akshaya, Junior MSc D. K. Gauri Sri, Junior MSc E. B. Sai Ashish, Junior MSc F. Junior MEC B. K. Rupa, Junior MEC A. Please give them a big round of applause. G. Sai Kumar, Junior MEC D. K. Shravanti, Junior MEC G. T. Hasini Venkata Kirtana. A. Amatra, Junior CCB. Please keep applauding for them, guys. Darshwana, Junior MEC A. Ridhima Sri, Junior MEC B. K. Devi Sri Sahiti, Junior MEC A. Jayalakshmi from Junior MEC D. Please keep applauding them, guys. They work for it. Murapu Jayalakshmi, Junior MEC D. Akanksha Sri, Junior MEC E. Sidra Rizwan, Junior MEC E. T. Naga Sinduri, Junior MEC G. Guys, do not stop applauding for them. Please applaud for them. They work for it, they have reached this far. Lakshana from Junior MEC E. Charika from Junior MEC E. K. Netra from Junior MEC B. This recognition fosters the culture of excellence and inspires all of us to reach our full potential. So give them a big round of applause. T. Hasani, Junior MEC A. G. Surya, Junior MEC B. BVN Sri Reddy, Junior MEC B. Akshit Reddy, Junior CCA. Thank you, sir, for your generosity, for recognizing students' innate talent and academic excellence.
would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Avinash Brahmadevara sir, Chairman of Avinash Group of Institutions, for gracing us with his presence at this grand event, the Freshers Party Navotsaha 2024, on behalf of all the seniors of ACC LBM. We deeply appreciate your support and participation in making this occasion memorable. We also appreciate Mrs. Sushila Kanduri ma'am, Dean of Academics at AGI, and Mrs. Neerja Lokasani ma'am, our beloved principal, for their leadership and dedication. Our sincere thanks to Meetu ma'am, Degree Principal at LBM, all core leaders and directors of AGI, Santosh sir and KP Ram sir, for their charming presence to make today's event a grand success. We, the students, promise to make most of the opportunities provided by you and will make you utmost proud. Thank you once again for your leadership, support and trust in us. Now, I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our dedicated faculty and admin staff to be present on this evening. Their support and guidance are invaluable in shaping the experiences of our new students. To the organizing team who work relentlessly hard behind the scenes to pull everything together, your contributions will be instrumental. Now, let's give a huge round of applause to our freshers. Thank you for bringing a fresh energy to our campus. On behalf of all the seniors, I would like to offer a piece of advice to my beloved juniors. Welcome to a new chapter of your lives. Embrace every moment, learn from every experience, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. This journey will change you, inspire you, and transform you. We believe in your potential and can't wait to see the amazing things which you will achieve. Our blessings are always with you. Here's to you a great start and even greater year ahead. So here's to you, our freshers. May your grades be high and attendance be better. Cheers. Now with this, I would like to conclude the formal session. Now let's begin the informal session, which is full of vibrant and colorful dances. Keep up the josh. And how's the josh? How's the josh? Thank you. Good morning to all my fellow ACC mates. Hello madam. English lo good morning అని కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. మరి అంత డీసెంట్ గా సాంప్రదాయంగా చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
దేశ భాషలందు తెలుగు లెస్స అన్నారు ఎందరో మహానుభావులు. అయినా మీకు అర్థం అవ్వాలని చెప్పి ఇంగ్లీష్లో కూడా మాట్లాడతారు. అయినా ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడినా మన రూట్స్ మనం ఎప్పటికీ మర్చిపోకూడదు విఘ్నేష్.
ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నా శ్రీత? నీకే అర్థమవుతుందా? వాట్ ఆర్ యు యాడింగ్ అప్?
నాకైతే పిచ్చ క్లారిటీ ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే రాబోయే మొదటి ప్రదర్శన కూడా ఒక క్లాసికల్ పర్ఫార్మెన్సే.
ఏంది క్లాసికల్ డాన్సా?
అంత షాక్ అయ్యారేంటి? మాస్ కావాలా ఏంటి? మాస్ నుంచి క్లాస్ పుట్టలేనా? క్లాస్ నుంచి మాస్ పుట్టింది.
అచ్చా, సో వాట్స్ సో స్పెషల్ అబౌట్ దిస్ క్లాసికల్ డాన్స్?
It's not just about moves, Vignesh. It's about telling a story, culture, emotions. All of these combined together in an elegant form is what brings life to this art.
Okay, cool. So when are we going to sing that one which is so beautiful?
To quote our darling, ఆలస్యమవదాచార్యపుత్ర, ఇప్పుడు రాబోయే అమ్మాయి తాండవం ఆడబోతున్నారు స్టేజ్ మీద.
So let's welcome Rohini and me onto the stage for the beautiful classical performance.
Paripalaya
క్లాసికల్ డాన్స్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, ఆ క్లాసికల్ డాన్స్ చూసి ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి నేను కూడా క్లాసికల్ డాన్స్
అంత ఘోరం చూడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. నీ బదులు ఒకరు రాబోతున్నారు. అతను నాట్య ప్రదర్శనతో మనం అందరం ఆకట్టుకోవడానికి.
ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు? నాకంటే బాగా చేస్తావా?
ఖచ్చితంగా. So let's call upon Akhil from Senior CCC.
A huge round of applause. మార్చి చెప్పాలంటే ఇప్పుడు మారిన మేరీ అన్నదా?
ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కూడా అర్థం కాలేదు. మార్చి చెప్పడం అంటే మారిన మేరీ అనడం కాదు నాన్న, మూవీ మార్చు అని.
హలో, అది నా వాడి ఫేవరెట్. ఓకే, నాకే కాదు అందరు కదా వాడి ఫేవరెట్.
సరే, కొంచెం మంచి మూడ్లో ఉన్నా కాబట్టి నీకు బృందావనం మూవీ చేసావు అంటే ఇష్టం.
బృందావనం అంటే కాజల్ కాజల్ ఇంకా సమంత ఇద్దరంటే కాబట్టి చిన్నవారు పెద్దవారు
అనుకున్నా ఇలాంటి యాక్టింగ్ వస్తుందని.
సరే, నేను మంచి మూడ్లో ఉన్నట్టు యాక్టింగ్ కాదు కాబట్టి నేను
your shoes on. Raise the volume. Let's dance on some mass stuff. Hey, our Gajuwada conductor song is going on.
డిగ్రీ స్థాయిలోనే తన విజిటింగ్ కార్డుపై ఎంకామ్, సిఏ, సిఎస్, సిఎంఈ అని రాసుకొని తన ఇంటిలో చేసి చూపించిన ఏకైక కామర్స్ గ్రూప్ అవినాష్ బ్రహ్మదేవర్ గారు. అలా ఒక్కొక్క డిగ్రీ సంపాదిస్తూ సాధించాల్సింది ఉన్నత చదువుతో వచ్చిన కార్పొరేట్ ఉద్యోగంలో అనేక మెట్లు ఎక్కుతూ ఉన్నత స్థాయిని పొంది ఉద్యోగంలో తాను అనుకున్నది సాధించడం కోసం నిరంతరం శ్రమించారు. కార్పొరేట్ ఉద్యోగిగా సంతృప్తిని పొందక తానే ఒక సంస్థను స్థాపించి 10 మందికి దారి చూపాలని నిరంతరం శ్రమించే శ్రామికుడు మన అవినాష్ బ్రహ్మదేవర్ గారు. అందుకై కార్పొరేట్ స్థాయిలో కళాశాలను స్థాపించి విస్తరించారు.
మర్చిపోతున్నారు కదా వాళ్ళే కనిపిస్తారు నీకు మేమే కనిపిస్తుంది. I'll show you.
You wanted to leave.
This is just fantastic. I am often misunderstood. Let me explain. Ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome you to the much awaited Freshers Rambo Extravaganza.
You're talking about the Rambo.
Yeah, you got it right. We are here to witness a parade of elegance that will capture your attention for sure.
నువ్వు ఇంత మాట్లాడుతున్నావు
ఇప్పటి వరకు అన్ని మాస్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూసేవాళ్ళ ఇప్పుడు కేసీ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ చూసేద్దామా?
ఏదంతా కాదు. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్ నువ్వు.
సరే అడుగు.
Why did the Daisy Falls bring the ladder to the park?
Why?
Because they thought that the drinks were on the bar. Prasanna, ఎక్కడున్నావు?
ఈ ఒక్క మాటతో రెండు చేతులు జోబులు పెట్టుకొని వెళ్ళిపోతాను. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతాను కూడా తెలియదు.
సరే సర్లే మరి ఎన్నెన్నో అనుకుంటాం అన్నీ జరుగుతాయండి. నేను ఒక షాప్ అడుగుతా. ఇది ఏ సినిమాలో ఉందో గెస్ట్ చేయి.
సరే పాడు.
ఇల్లుమినాటి, ఇల్లుమినాటి.
ఇదే తిన్నావా?
సరే నీకు ఒక చిన్న హింట్ ఇస్తా. నీకు కింది నుంచి పలుకుతుంది చూడు అదే.
నాకు కింద నుంచి పై వరకు ఉందా? ఏంటి అందమా?
చిచ్చి నీకు సిగ్గు పడకండి సార్. నేనే ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తా. ఆవేశం.
Oh, now forget all these jokes. Now we have got a bunch of energetic boys who are ready to light up the stage with their energetic moves.
Get ready to witness a performance that's bound to make this group one great. And put your hands together and let the glory magic begin.
Let's make some noise for Daisy Falls!
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पच्चीस पे नौकरी, 26 पे छोकरी, 30 पे बच्चे, 60 पे रिटायरमेंट और फिर मौत का इंतजार। ऐसे किसी भी डिजाइन थोड़ी जीना चाहोगे।
మీన్ స్పాంటేనియస్ అయిపోవాలా పక్కా ప్లాన్ లేకపోతే రావాలని
కానీ మన జూనియర్ సార్ రెడీ టు ఆన్సర్ ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్
అంటే ఏంటి రాంపక్ అయిపోలేదా ఇంకా
అరే అసలైన ఆట ఇప్పుడు మొదలైంది
సో లేట్ అయితే మనం పిలిచేద్దాం అవ్వాలని
లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ our Rampok participants with a big round of applause.
Okay, lady, my question to you. Describe yourself in 3 adjectives.
Hi, I am Varsha from CCG.
Hi, I'm Ankit from MUCP.
I repeat the question. My question to you is, describe yourself in 3 adjectives.
My question to you is, who is the most confident woman you know? I repeat, who is the most confident woman you know?
Of course, my mom.
Well, that was really an insightful answer.
Hello, my name is Nalita. I'm from MUCP.
Okay, my question to you, lady. How are you different from other competitors?
Different from other competitors. All men can tell what I should.
Hi, I'm Hari from MBCA.
Okay, my question to you is, what famous person does your personality match with? What famous person does your personality, your characteristics match with?
Raghav Lawrence. Because he is peaceful.
Yes.
Peaceful.
Hello. Hi, my name is Hasni from MECC.
Okay, Hasni, let me see how you answer this question. If we couldn't pick you, who should win?
Thank you for the question. Well, I would say everybody here on stage were really pretty, really gorgeous, and everybody deserved a chance to win. And I wouldn't particularly pick one person because everybody deserves it. Actually, they deserve to be in this place of mine, and I'm really happy to be here. And I wish everybody really great and all the best. And you look gorgeous. Love you all.
Give a big round of applause to her intelligent answer. Beauty with brains, huh?
Hi, my name is Sarah. I am from MUCC.
Okay. What is your first thought when you step into Avinash College of Commerce? What is your first thought when you step into Avinash College of Commerce?
I will become a CA.
Hi, I'm Shrija from Junior CCA.
Okay, Sita, my question to you is, what is that one thing that you would change about yourself? What is that one thing that you would change about yourself?
I would change my patience because people take advantage of it. So I would change my patience.
Your answer was as stunning as your work. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Krishna. I am from Junior CCA.
Okay, Krishna, this is my question. If you could write a book
could write a book about your life, what would its title be?
Krishna biography.
Well, you tackled the question perfectly.